What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with today's second video. And in today's second video, yes, we're going to take a look at the big monster of Cardano, which is absolutely exploding as we speak right now. Even before I made these charts, Cardano is still exploding. So if that sounds good to you guys are new to the channel, I'm going to try to get this video up as soon as possible. Smack that subscribe button down below if you enjoy today's content. All right? So let's jump straight on into the 4-hour chart here, guys. And as I was making this chart, we were all the way down here, still below our 0.618 Fibonacci. But what I'm going to talk about first, guys, is why we exploded. So why we exploded is a couple different reasons. Obviously, we know, right, Cardano was added to Coinbase, right? So obviously that was the major catalyst to this pump, but there was also a bunch of different technicals that were showing us the exact same thing. So you guys can see on the 4-hour chart, guys, we were getting lower lows on our price action and higher lows on our RSI, which is bullish divergence, and that pushed us up to the upside. We also had it on the daily chart, which we're going to look at in the next chart, that also says the exact same reason why. Now, our first big impulse was straight up to that 0.618 Fibonacci. You can see right here, guys, right up to our 0.618 Fibonacci, and right, you can see, right? So, and right now, we're pumping straight to our 786 Fibonacci. So, will we get resistance at this point, or will we pump straight to our previous local high at our 1 Fibonacci and pump straight back up to about $1.47 approximately? That could definitely happen because we have now broken our all-time highs once again for Cardano. Let's switch over to the daily chart here, and if we actually zoom out, guys, you can see our all-time highs was right about at 131 approximately, and we have now eclipsed that, and now we are about 137. So we have now eclipsed our previous all-time high once again, guys, and Cardano is ready to make big moves. You can see on the daily chart, guys, as well, the reason why we pumped is we got lower lows on our RSI, higher lows in price action, and that has now pushed us back up to the upside on the daily chart. Now, what's our next Fibonacci target? You guys know right now we're passing our long-term 1 Fibonacci target, which is also our previous all-time high, okay? So our long-term Fibonacci target is always from our previous all-time high all the way back down to our bear market low, okay? So that puts our next target, guys, all the way up at our 1.618 Fibonacci, which is $2.15, guys. So we could be seeing a massive rally for Cardano, and that would give us a proximate gain, right, short term probably, of about 54% in my opinion. We probably see that over the next couple, really the next week or two, in my opinion. We see move up to 215 if and only if, you guys know, if Bitcoin decides not to absolutely tank in the short term, guys. That is always dependent on that. Now, let's jump on over to this daily chart, and this is the Cardano Bitcoin chart, guys. So as we know, right, this is big. And we know back in the previous bull market in 2017, Cardano had one initial pump up to the upside, cooled down for a little bit, and then went absolutely bonkers back up to the upside again, almost in two kind of stages. And you can see what we've gotten now, guys, is we've gotten that same type of thing where we got our first really impulse to the upside here, right? We've cooled off a little bit, and now are we due for another big impulse to the upside on the Cardano Bitcoin pair? Well, I think we are, right? Obviously, I hold a majority of my portfolio in Bitcoin just to be safe and just because I believe in the long-term aspect of it. But we could, short-term, right, see Cardano absolutely explode against Bitcoin. So don't be surprised if we see something like this from 2017. Maybe not this severe. Maybe we only like top out somewhere in this area. But maybe we don't see something as severe as 2017. But Cardano could absolutely destroy Bitcoin in the short term. And that's what I'm telling you guys right now. Be prepared for something crazy like this to happen with Coinbase. And it's all because of this Coinbase Pro listing. Obviously, we know Coinbase Pro listing sets stage for price rally. You know, we've seen Cardano pump 20% yesterday, guys. And really, we don't have any resistance now after breaking our previous all-time high once again for the second time. And hopefully, we can get that daily close above it this time to fully confirm, but I absolutely think we will, just based on this crazy price action that we've seen really over the last day, right? So absolutely crazy stuff happening for Cardano, guys. I mean, a bunch of different stuff. I mean, a bunch of people saying that, you know, Cardano is going to be the Ethereum killer. I don't think it will. To answer a lot of those questions, I do not think Cardano will be the Ethereum killer per se, but I do think Cardano and Ethereum both can live at the number 2 and 3 spots on the market cap, guys. I do think they can coexist and really hold those number 2 and number 3 spots on the market cap going forward, guys. And don't be surprised to see that going forward. Obviously, we're going to take a quick look at the Bitcoin dominance, guys. Bitcoin dominance taking a hit, obviously, with Cardano absolutely pumping massively. Ethereum having a good day. That's going to pull the Bitcoin dominance down. But really, nothing's going to happen with the Bitcoin dominance, really, until we break this green line here, or we break this red line. If we do break this green line, expect us to retest this purple line, which would probably put us somewhere around like 70% if we can break back above this green line. But we keep getting rejected from it. We keep wicking above it and keep getting pushed back down on the market cap. So don't be surprised, guys, if short term we maybe come back down to levels maybe like 55%, as altcoins probably start to go crazy again, especially Cardano that's just back at the number 3 spot on crypto. So don't be surprised if something like that happens. But guys, we could be seeing 147 today, most likely, in my opinion, for Cardano with the craziness going on, if not higher. And then obviously in the medium term, 215 could be coming. And then our next resistance, guys, is all the way up here at about $3.52. So just wanted to get a quick update on Cardano before we start seeing massive price movements to the upside, and this video is completely irrelevant. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, and you guys want to see me doing more news stuff like this, where I kind of bring up more news stuff at the end of the videos, obviously I'll always start with the TA, but if you want to see more of this news stuff, where I maybe do 2 or 3 news articles at the end of the video to give you guys some more fundamental analysis, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to do that and kind of add on to, obviously my expertise, and add on to my video content and make it nicer, maybe a little bit longer for you guys to have some fundamental analysis at the end too. And I generally like looking at a bunch of this stuff, as we start going on. But let me know in the comment section below if you do that. If you guys did enjoy today's content, make sure you press the subscribe button down below. And don't forget, I'll be streaming tonight, guys, at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you guys don't miss out on that. And I'll see you guys later in the stream. All right, guys? Peace out.